Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stars on Among Us. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the shop option in the left hand side of your screen. Here, tap on the star icon in the top right corner. On this page, you can see certain amount of star bundle with certain amount of money. Now all you have to do is select how many star bundle you wanna buy. Let's say I wanna buy 20 star bundle, then I'll have to tap on star bundle 20 option. Then a pop-up menu will appear where you'll have to click on add credit or debit card option. Then all you have to do is enter your card details and enter the amount of money you'll have to pay. After that, you'll have to check out and your account will be added with 20 star bundles. So that is how you can buy stars on Among Us. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.